Following a massive 7.9 earthquake off the coast of Alaska this week, officials and experts in Oregon and Washington state have said that the state is dangerously unprepared for tsunamis, massive waves of water unleashed by undersea earthquakes. The quake that struck late on Monday caused tsunami warnings from Alaska and a tsunami watch for the U.S. West Coast. The event increased concerns that a seismic sea wave along the northwest coast could kill, injure, or displace tens of thousands of people and cause billions of dollars in damage. Karina Forson, Washington's chief hazard geologist, said, "There's still a lot that needs to be done.